What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy Part 2. We're back in the greenhouse. We're going to let Ethan pick and choose what he wants to plant. It's some strawberries over there, some seeds over there, some flower boxes over there. What you want to plant? You want to plant some strawberries. Okay, here we go. We got one already open for you. And here they go. Now, these are already rooted, you guys. These are the strawberry roots. Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera. These are the strawberry roots, you guys. Ethan's going to be planting strawberries today.
We almost look identical.
Huh?
We almost look identical.
Who?
Oh, the strawberries and me.
Yeah. Yeah, you look like identical strawberries. Yeah. Okay, you guys. Okay, so we're going to let him plant his strawberries. So we have to read the package. Where's the package? Where's the package? There you go. There you go. Now, what does it say? Easy to grow.
Dig a hole to the...
You got to tell the people. All right, what it says.
Dig a hole to the required depth.
The required depth.
Yeah. And then the second, we have to plant strawberries in the full sun.
Right.
Space 12 to 24 apart.
Inches apart.
Plant with, and then fourth, we gotta plant with crown at soil level.
Okay, so the crown has to be at soil level. All right, you ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Here's your pot. Now, do you see the pots? They come like this from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And they have these little holes at the bottom for drainage. So, we take our little... Oh, here's the marker. That's the marker we were looking for. We're going to mark his plants. But yeah, we have to... I'm going to do this part, you guys, because it's a knife. And we're just going to pop those holes out. Pop those holes out. And pop that one out. There we go. And that's for what? Why do we do that? Drainage. There you go. Where you learn all this from? All right. You heard me say you learned. Tell the people. Where you learn that from? Tell the people on the camera. You on camera. We live.
I learned it from Randy.
Yeah, all right. So we're gonna move the plants all the way over here. So his pot has his holes in it and everything. And we already have his soil that he already made. So you can start filling your pot up.
Okay.
And we're learning together, you guys. I've never planted the strawberry roots. You gotta speed up. Go ahead. Pour it on in there. There you go. Pour it in there. Got it? There you go.
Okay.
Pour. Now they say it's supposed to be 10 roots in here, you guys. So we're gonna see. Get all that. There you go. Got it?
Yep.
So this is supposed to be the strawberry root, you guys. Give a little paper, strawberry paper, so we can show the people what we're planting. Yeah, show it to the camera. This is what it comes like. It's supposed to be 10. So Ethan and I are going to find out.
Yep.
So
now we have to dig a hole. And it requires the depth. There you go.
And I see roots, you guys. I see the roots. You see the roots? So I guess we're supposed to break it up a little bit. Oh, there's the rubber band they keep talking about. They say there's going to be a rubber band on it.
Yeah, you gotta find that and then.
And then all of these are strawberry roots.
Ooh.
Yep. Okay, I see how they do those. 1, 2,
3,
Here's
3 and 4.
3 and 4. There's a little ball in them, you guys. I can feel it. 5. You can feel that little ball right there?
Yeah.
See? 5 and look. What? 6.
7.
6.
7, 8.
7, 8.
Yep.
And then it should be 2 more. Or maybe not. Maybe they gave us 9. They shorted us 1, you guys. We're going after him. So, Ethan has dug his hole. Show the people your hole. We're going to put some more soil in there.
Digging that. Yep.
Okay, so pick your strawberry. And it says the crown needs to be at the top. So what part do you think is the crown, Ethan? Oh, sorry.
Maybe this part?
Yeah. And what is this part?
The roots. Like,
yeah, speak up.
the roots.
The roots.
These are the roots, and this is the crown of it.
And so how you going to plant it?
Like,
with the roots down, right?
Yeah. Put the roots down first. Then, like, is the crown supposed to be showing?
Yep.
Okay. And bury the roots. So the crown is going to be showing. The crown is going to be the only thing showing after you bury it. Okay. About the crown. Okay.
Let's put some more soil in there. And then pour your strawberry out. Let's put some more soil in there so it can come up a little bit. Look. Watch it. Okay.
Now we gotta mix this one together.
And where's that moisture? Let's moisture the water with the soil. See, guys? So he can fill it up a little bit.
It's the roots and the crown. So we gotta mix all of this one together.
Get some water.
Yeah. Right there. Just going to get some more water. Now I'm just mixing it slowly together.
Okay. There you go.
Now, let's see. Ooh,
Got thicker,
that's
right?
better. Yeah.
You say it's better?
Yeah.
So your strawberry will grow. Where's your strawberry? Okay, you got it over here.
Okay.
Good.
That's good.
Okay,
Yeah.
show the people what you did.
I was mixing it around.
Okay.
Now I gotta make like a little hole, like a hole for the strawberry to go in.
You don't have to go all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, that should be deep enough.
Yep.
Then you gotta put your roots facing down, and then the crown is gonna be sticking out a little bit. Okay. Okay.
There you go. Back it all the way around. Pretty much bury it except for
Yeah.
that little piece. And this is going to be your strawberry plant.
Okay. It looks good.
Looks good.
Yeah. You guys can see it right there in the
Eat the
middle.
strawberry plant, y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to label it. You want to write it?
Yeah.
It's your strawberry.
I don't know how to spell strawberry.
That's right. S-T-R.
S-T-R.
So we know what it is. A. It's a long word, so W. That's all you need on there. And then put the date on the back.
Okay.
Today is 2/7/20. Show the people. See, he wrote his own tag. There you go. Straw. You know that means strawberry. And just stick it on the side so you can see it. Stick it like that on the side over here. There you go.
There we go.
Okay.
Top.
And you have to put your other label on your other plants.
Oh yeah. This one is the tomato.
Yeah. And the T-O-M-A-T. That's all I put on mine, just abbreviation. And then on the back, put your date.
2/7/20.
And then.
Okay. And we need sweet pepper. Okay. Sweet.
P-E-P-P.
Pep.
And put your date on the back.
Oh yeah. Look, I felt that already. 2/7/20.
Yep.
Date. Sweet. Put it right there. There we go.
All right. And there you have it, you guys.
Yeah.
Projects for your kids. See?
Strawberries. And then I got tomatoes. I got sweet peppers.
Yes, you guys. So, this concludes our video today, you guys, okay? So, remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and do what? Eat it! Okay? Say it with me, Ethan. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and do what?
Eat it!
Eat it! All right, we love you guys. You're the best. Peace out. We'll see you next time.